Let's say you have a duct cleaning company.
Yeah.
And you're doing 500K in revenue, so you're like very much an owner operator.
For sure.
And you're stuck. Like, what should that person do?
Yeah. Well, so the first thing they would do is they would make sure that they are the industry expert in their area.
Yeah.
So like you need to know what you're talking about. And that's with these businesses, just like your business, you have to be very, very technical and know all the details, right?
Mm-hmm.
And the reason so many of these duct cleaning companies don't do more revenue is because they have to charge $400 because everyone knows their service is BS because they don't know what they're doing and they can't explain the technicals to you. Therefore, their team, if they have a team, couldn't explain the technicals if they can't even do it.
Yeah.
So the number one thing they need to do is like have their industry knowledge and know what they're doing and what they're talking about and like be one of the very best in their area with what they do.
Yeah.
Then they need to raise their rates and actually do the jobs exactly to the NADCA and EPA like standards and regulations. That'd be the second thing. And then the third thing is they got to get off the truck to some extent. Maybe they work on the truck Monday and Tuesday to train the guys. Then the guys do the jobs the rest of the week and they can go do marketing and sales and grow this company. And then they should take your ideas that you just said about yard signs and maybe changing the pay for the guys so you're getting the team more excited about like finding new work and getting new jobs.
Yeah.
But the biggest thing is in our industry, you got to know what you're doing. And you can't scale one of these companies if you're doing the work wrong and not doing it properly, and you can't explain it properly.
And franchising helps with that, I'm assuming.
For sure. And our franchise is great. And back to marketing, like we used Scorpion at our franchises for a while, and then like now at least Belfour Franchise Group is big enough where we have our own internal marketing team called WMS.
Nice.
So that company, separate brand company, they literally just do all the marketing and websites for the internal companies that we have. So now we don't have to mess with Scorpion or any of the other ones because we've got our own company doing it. And it's in our own company's best interest to help us be really good at it because they're making money on it anyway.
Sure.
So it's that part about the franchise is really, really nice for us. And like we were talking about earlier, having enough brands in our franchise now, I have an automatic like 10 referral sources of other companies as soon as I open up a location in this area, because we've got 10 internal companies that we're friends with already.
Yeah.
So now we've got those people introducing me to other people that own businesses, and they all have an HVAC company that works at their house. So now I got 10 introductions to HVAC companies. So like because Belfour Franchise Group is so big, now there's like an advantage of buying one of those Duct, because Ducts is the original Belfour Franchise Group brand. Then they got another one, then another one, and now we have like 15. But so now because of the size, there's a lot more leverage and it makes it more worth it than it's ever been.